Everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts. Sorry if this is a little close, but I just wanted to show you finishing this up. This is just a ceiling fan globe light cover. I just put a coat of orange acrylic paint on with a little burnt orange to make it kind of look like the moon. It's got a little spot up there where it kind of disappeared, but this is the one I did for this Shine High Starry string lights. Alright, so just a little more detail on the piece. Only because I was asked about it. Alright, this will make a really, really cute Halloween decoration. Put those shine highlights inside. Perfect. Alright. I just wanted to share with everybody. Like I said, sorry if it's a little too close. I'll put some still shots at the end. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.